What if I told you the best way to escape the city hustle is just a short drive away from Kingston? Forget the all-inclusive resorts. I'm about to show you a hidden gem that feels like a whole new world. I'm in St. Andrew, and this is the grand finale of my 30-day tour around Jamaica. And I've found the ultimate place to end this journey. It's a unique nature retreat called Rafjam Bed and Breakfast, located right in Irish Town and just a short drive from Kingston. This spot is the perfect place for city folks who need an escape. To remember why we work so hard, to be able to do whatever you want. And sometimes, what you really want is to feel the cool breeze while swaying in a hammock, or get a natural massage from the river falls. You can even just walk barefoot in nature and remind yourself that treating yourself is important. The place is owned by a cool couple, Susan and Shane, who started with just one room and now have 10 on the property. I had the honor of staying in the cave room, which was an upscale country design with a king-size bed and a big two-headed shower. The property is surrounded by lush greenery and has a kitchen and a smoothie bar for when you get hungry. There is also a small store offering natural products and souvenirs. But the real highlight? It's the river. A small river runs right through the property, and a larger river falls is a little further back.
Alright, so them have a next big river on at the back. So I'm gonna go walk and check it out right now and see what are going around there. Alright, so through the gate and then I can find it. So I have to fit if you do them something here. I now want to drop down a gully. I hurt myself. Okay, so I reach. Oh wow, it's nice too. See there? So this is the falls behind Rafjam Bed and Breakfast. And look a river. If you live at home and you just want a little getaway, this is perfect.
I spent my last day there, just soaking it all in and reflecting on the past 30 days of my tour. It was the perfect ending to my journey. Rafjam is a tranquil, hidden paradise that's perfect for chilling out and recharging. And if you don't feel like driving, they even offer pickups and drop-offs from Kingston. This is a place where time slows down and every corner holds a new adventure. So, if you're looking to get away from it all and reconnect with nature, this is your spot. What's the one thing that helps you escape the grind? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Jamaican adventures.